Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? F of x plus 2 all to the power of x equals f of x multiplied by x. Then we still have f of 2 equals 2 power of 35 multiplied by 3 power of 184. And what is f of 10? If you consider the solution, from the given function, which is f of x plus 2 all raised to the power of x, this equals f of x multiplied by x. So we are given f of 2 initially. So if I set my x to be equals 2, this equation becomes, anywhere we see x here, we'll be replacing it with 2. So the first one is f of 4 raised to the power of 2, because 2 plus 2, that is 4, equals f of 2 multiplied by 2. And f of 2 is given as 2 power of 35 multiplied by 3 power of 184. By replacing it, we have f of 4 raised to the power of 2 equals 2 power of 35 multiplied by 3 power of 184, then multiplied by 2 power of 1. By rule of indices, 2 power 1 and 2 power of 35, this gives us 2 power of 36 multiplied by 3 power of 184. And everything here equals f of 4 raised to the power 2. By taking the square root of both sides, so we are going to have f of 4 equals, so the square root of all this, we have the square root of 2 power of 36 multiplied by 3 power of 184. And then f of 4 equals, so this square will reduce all this. We are going to have 2 power of, if we divide this 36 by 2, we are going to have it as 18 multiplied by then 3 power of 92. So this is what we are going to have for f of 4. Again, we are going to test for when x equals 4. So if x equals 4, we are going to have f of 6, then all raised to the power 2 equals f of 4 multiplied by 4. But f of 4 is given as 2 power of 18 multiplied by 3 power of 92. So where this 4 can be written as 2 power of 2. So by taking the square root of both sides, so we have only f of 6 here equals f of 4 is given as 2 power of 18 multiplied by 2 power of 2 multiplied by 3 power of 92. So taking the square root of both sides, so we are going to raise this by power of 1 over 2. And then our f of 6 is given as, so this and this, that is 20. So if we divide this 20 by 2, we are going to have, this is power of 4, power of 4. So divide this 20 by 4, we are going to have 2 power of 5 multiplied by, then here is 3 power of, divide this one by 4, that gives us 20, we have 23. So this is for f of 6. And again, we are going to let x equals 6. For x equals 6, we are going to have f of 8, then all raised to the power of 6 equals f of 6 multiplied by 6. So then we have this as f of 6, which is given as 2 power of 5 multiplied by 3 power of 23, then multiplied by 6. But here we have 6. So there is no way we can multiply this together unless we express 6 as 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 times 3, that gives us 6. So and there we have 2 power of 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 power of 23 multiplied by 3. And all this is f of 8 raised to the power 6. So by adding this together using the rule of exponent, So this is 2 power of 6 multiplied by 3 power of 24. And all this equals f of 8 all raised to power of 6. So by taking the 6th root of both sides, we have f of 8 equals 2 power of 6 multiplied by 3 power of 24, then all raised to power of 1 over 6. So this keeps cancelling. 6 here, 6 here, that is 2 power of 1 multiplied by 3 power of 6 here, 6 here, that gives us 4. And then all this is the result of f of 8. So in the next step, we are going to test for when x equals 8. So, and if x equals 8, what are we going to get? So if x equals 8, we are going to have f of 10 that we need, then all raised to power 8 equals f of 8 multiplied by 8. Then we have this equals f of 8 is giving us 2 power 1 multiplied by 3 power 4, then everything multiplied by 8. But 8 here is giving us 2 power of 3, that is 8. So we're using the rule of exponent. This is 2 power of 4 multiplied by 3 power of 4. So all this is f of 10 raised to power of 8. So by taking the 8th root of both sides, we are going to have this cancelled. Here we have 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 power 4, then all raised to power of 1 over 8. In the next step, we are going to have to break this thing down as well by raising this by 1 over 8 and also 3 power 4 by 1 divided by 8. So we have this as f of 10. So we have f of 10 equals 2 power of 4, then all raised to power 1 over 8 multiplied by 3 power 4 all raised to power 1 over 8. And then we are going to have f of 10 equals 2 power of 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 power of 1 over 2. So 2 power 1 over 2, that is square root of 2 multiplied by 3 power of 1 over 2, that is square root of 3. And this gives us, if we have root a multiplied by root b, that gives us root ab. So we are going to apply this rule, and we have square root of 2 times 3. So square root of 2 times 3, that is square root of 6, which is the result of f of 10. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.